सिंह।
और साथ ही आज के इस शानदार परेड पर 2 महिला प्रहरियों का भी विशेष योगदान है। महिला प्रहरी दीक्षा शर्मा एवं महिला प्रहरी रजनी देवी।
आप सभी दर्शकों से निवेदन है, कृपया अपने स्थान पर बैठकर ही आज के शानदार परेड का आनंद उठाएं। दर्शक, भारत माता की एवं वंदे मातरम के अतिरिक्त किसी भी अन्य नारे का प्रयोग न करें। और जब तक रिट्रीट सेरेमनी परेड समाप्त न हो, सभी दर्शक अपने अपने स्थान पर बैठे रहें। परेड समाप्ति के पश्चात ही अपने स्थान को छोड़े वो स्टेडियम से बाहर निकलने के लिए। स्टेडियम के मुख्य द्वार, स्वयं द्वार एवं स्टेडियम में बने एग्जिट वे का प्रयोग करें। एक बार पहुंचने आप सभी दर्शकों से विनम्र
Images are on your screens as our forces are getting set for that big show, the beating retreat ceremony that will kick off at the Atari border anytime now. You can see all of our forces in position, ready for the ceremony to kick off. On Republic Day, of course, there's a lot more focus, scrutiny on this ceremony that's underway right now. I'll bring in Kamaljeet. She's joining us live from the Atari border with all of the action there. Kamaljeet, huge crowds that have gathered. First of all, a happy Republic Day to you. I think no better way to celebrate and to witness the beating retreat ceremony.
Well, this is a high energy event where you can hear Bharat Mata ki chants, Vande Mataram chants, and this is where all the energy comes alive right here. Remember, this is a proud moment for Indians. The longest written constitution in the world remains a proud reminder of India's journey from colonial rule to the vibrant republic. Now you can hear the chanting, the Indian flag flying high, and this is where the Atari-Wagah border has all eyes and ears of people of the country, and a dramatic high energy event. This happens actually every day, but Republic Day, there's this extra vibrant fervor, and this is where the nationalism really comes alive. A heightened patriotic atmosphere. What you can see all around is massive, massive crowds from north to south India, from the east to west. This is where India is united. Now, compared to the previous time, what we can try and show you is the gates are locked, and they will remain locked simply on account of Operation Sindoor. What was triggered was the Pahalgam terror attack, after which Operation Sindoor was launched. But even though the lowering of flags do take place, and there you see the women BSF personnel marching, and this is where, supported by the men colleagues, look at the sort of detailing which is done, but the gates remain closed. Pakistan on the other side doesn't have much crowd, their flag up there, and on the contrast is the Indian side. You see and sense the energy which the BSF personnel have. Now there has been almost a 2.5-hour cultural event, but this is what people come here for, the beating retreat ceremony. Now remember, the post was created here way back in October 1947 by Brigadier Mohinder Singh Chopra. Thereafter, there was just a simple ceremony of closing gates, but it's only in 1959 when the lowering of the flags happened. Look at this, a dramatic, vibrant march taking place, and this is the beating retreat. And in the winters, the timing is from 4:30 to 5, and this is where the lowering of the flags will be done. But yes, on days when sweets are exchanged, those days are long gone, because since Pahalgam terror attack and post-Operation Sindoor, what is going to happen is that the parade will take place and is taking place, but there will be no opening of gates. So this is where what we can show you is the detailing, and BSF over the years has mastered this particular parade. This is what really people, and look at this, the crowd itself, all amazed. And the closing ceremony is not just simple and functional military practice. This is something which has been heightened This is where the participation of people have taken place. And what we've seen is gradually in each and every decade, whether we're talking about from 1959 to 1980, where a modest ceremony would take place, and from 1990 onwards, a highly synchronized, intensified, higher kicks, louder slogans. There you hear the cheer of the crowd. So this has now become a global spectacle, but it remains extremely close to heart of every single Indian. The Bharat Mata Ki chants, all this being emphasized, remains. This is something which draws in people, and this being an extended weekend, remember, that's where the crowds have come in from all across. Now you see, it's a packed house all along. So this is where an extended weekend along with 26th, the Republic Day itself, has created a moment where all Indians can come and cheer for the country. And on the contrast, if you actually see, this is a lackluster Pakistan area. This is what we can show you is Pakistan definitely up to its act, because in the past couple of days what we've seen is the drone activity going up high in Jammu and Kashmir, in Samba, in Rajouri area. Even in Gurdaspur today, what we've seen is drone activity being noticed. But this is when what we also tell you is the BSF on high alert, but the flags being held all high. All these smartly dressed BSF personnel carrying that just towards the end of the gate. Now there you go, the camera pans out, we'll show it to you. And this is synchronized because Pakistan has equivalent. Obviously, this is where the crowds looking at the gates are not going to open. And definitely the Republic Day itself, where what we know is there's a heightened sense of alert. 20,000 personnel of Punjab Police being deployed. The border security force has been on red alert. But this is where you can hear the crowd say BSF, BSF. So a huge roar going on. Extremely proud Indians all gathered here under this open roof. This is where what we know is the extra fervor. And that's where you hear the roar of the Indian. This is a common man, a common citizen coming here. And now people come from 30 kilometers apart from Amritsar. But coming here to look at this particular spectacle, the machismo right here, look at the sword, the precision. This is where permission is being taken. Remember, the border security force granting the permission to go ahead with the parade. Now look at this. 30 minutes of enthralling performance by the border security force. The Pakistani Rangers on the other side. Almost an empty Pakistan stadium. They simply cannot match the Indian performance. But clearly, this is where a lot of people braving the cold weather out here. Both men and women here. Look at this. The famous moustache of the border security force. And the high rise, high leg march. Now look at the aggressive stance, both from the Indian side and the Pakistani side. Mesmerizing, is it not? The border security force on its side, elements of these kind, aggressive goose-stepping, marches, chest thumping, and the crowd chanting, roaring once again, Bharat Mata Ki Jai. This is where the Indians coming to see this from far across, uniting here. They come from different region, different spheres, different religion. But here at the Atari-Wagah border is just the Indian and the sound of Bharat Mata Ki Jai. A spectacular stride there, and this is what we're going to see is more border security personnel now marching towards the gate of Pakistan, and the aggressive stance. The open dare to Pakistan, something we've seen even during Operation Sindoor. Coming in, the border security force has 553 kilometers to guard right in Punjab, but all along the western borders with Pakistan, right from Jammu and Kashmir till Gujarat. This is a huge area, but the border security force keeping its keen focus, keen eyes on Pakistan, because what we've seen is disruptions happen here. But even as they remain on high alert, this is and has always been a symbolic parade as far as border security force is concerned. Look at the march, the stride. The aggressive stance, showing India's victory. So this is not just Indians, but a global spectacle. A lot of foreigners sitting out here. So they were all talking about the border security force, BSF Zindabad, Bharat Mata Ki Jai Jans. This is where audience has been completely mesmerized. A display of machismo and a border theatre, many would say. But this is where the border security force has largely kept this particular format intact. There used to be brief handshakes, but not anymore. But clearly, when we're talking about, there has been extensive viewing galleries, the pre-ceremony entertainment, and the BSF-led crowd. So what we've seen is, look at the stadium, the magnitude of it all. This is where what you can see is a crowd of over 20,000, a big crowd all coming down here on Republic Day just to ensure that they are here on this particular day. A patriotic fervor, the Indian flag flying high. This is what makes the Indians' hearts roar. You can hear the crowd, the chant. So anybody here who's part of this particular ceremony, and each and every year, what you get is goosebumps. Because though BSF has improvised it, has made it more inclusive, got cultural events, the Bhangra, the Gidda, participants from nearing Haryana. It's also where there is the participation of the common person. This is where they feel one. This is where India is seen. And this is where the opponent, the enemy, it's the Pakistan. And there you see a lackluster performance right opposite India is of Pakistan. But clearly they do also have a parade. And there you see the suit of Pakistan. But this is where the border security force, on the other hand, look at the posture. This is where they say, don't mess with us. That's the signal to Pakistan. And this is where Atari-Wagah border itself brings in, because remember, this is a very pivotal position From 1959, we've seen this particular border have a lowering of flag ceremony, but Border Security Force holding this particular fort itself, 553 kilometers in all, and clearly you can hear the drums, you can hear the chant, and this is where in the next couple of minutes, what we'll see is the lowering of flag, but the gates do not open. The messaging is simple, don't mess with us.
भारत माता की, भारत माता की, हिंदुस्तान, 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 वंदे, 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 वंदे।
Anybody who comes here, this is once in a lifetime spectacle, but what we've seen also is people coming in a dedicated manner year after year. A lot of people from Amritsar turn up for this entire spectacle. This is where the Indians feel one, because this is when Republic feels alive. It's the longest running written constitution. Remember, this is where the ceremony has been on, but never has it really declined. So this is where what we've seen is people come in large numbers. This is where they really celebrate the festivity of Republic.
भारत माता की, भारत माता की, भारत माता की, हिंदुस्तान, 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 वंदे, 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 वंदे।
So there you hear it, the BSF personnel leading on, cheering the crowd. Again, what you can see is India's first line of defense. The stadium itself has been improvised over the past few years, and yes, there has been a thorough checking, ensuring there is safety right here. This is something Border Security Force has worked on. Look at this, the spectacle itself. A head eye. Look at those kicks going right up. And the Border Security Force personnel right in front of the Pakistani Rangers. This is clearly a motivation as far as people are concerned. Remember, because these are people who've actually seen stories of the Border Security Force personnel, talked about Operation Sindoor, but to come here to witness it and to be part of this entire ceremony itself, that is something which can give goosebumps. This is something which has created a whole lot of enthusiasm amongst a lot of people, and that consistent chanting. This is where the Republic Day itself, which symbolizes India's commitment to justice, liberty, equality, fraternity, all that enshrined in the Constitution. And look at that, almost walking up in the air, almost that light feet. So extremely dramatic, extremely high energy, and this is where the synchronized high kicks, aggressive marching, the patriotic slogans, and look at this, the lowering of the flag has now begun. You can see that rope. This is where, in a synchronized meeting, without opening of gates, without any handshake, this is where the lowering of the flag has begun. That is now the culmination of the beating retreat ceremony as the flags are lowered. So this dramatic high energy event will come to an end once the flags are lowered down, and especially on Republic Day, this is where there's an extra significance, a patriotic fervor. And as the sun sets and the darkness really comes in, what's in the core is the Indians who've come all across. Look at that. Chest beating. Now, in an extreme practice way is where respectfully the Indian flag is going to be lowered. You can see the Pakistani flag on the other side and the Indian flag on one side. Earlier, let me tell you, is when the gates used to be open, but post-Operation Sindoor and the Pahalgam terror attack, India's decision not to open these particular gates, and remember, what followed was an exit of a lot of Pakistanis who were here, the visas shelved. But here what we see is that the ceremony itself, because it does attract thousands and lakhs of people across in several months. The open hand gesture, the open gesture. The Bharat Mata ki chant and the process to begin the lowering of the flag even as the sun sets.
Hindustan! Vande! 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 Vande!
Can you hear the roar of thousands of people when they say Vande Mataram? And a synchronized events. This is where the border security force personnel in face-to-face with the Pakistani Rangers on the other side, but the gates firmly closed. A lock is on that particular gate.
डॉक्टर धामदे आपसे भी दर्शकों से निवेदन है कृपया राष्ट्रीय ध्वज के उतारते समय ध्वज के सम्मान में अपने अपने स्थान पर खड़े हो जाएं।
So the audience has been asked to rise as the lowering the flag is going to be done. There you see the entire crowd, thousands of all people now standing up in respect of the tricolor.
During its lowering, please maintain silence throughout the ceremony. Thank you.
Thousands of people, and this is the final culmination as the flag is to be lowered just moments from now. And behind there you can see Pakistani flag being lowered on a big level. and then on the front near the gate, both ways.
Hindustan! Hindustan! Zindabad! Zindabad!
A loud echo of Hindustan Zindabad. The final act now by the border security force personnel, both women and men.
Just look at these two images. The contrast couldn't be more stark. On the Indian side, look at the enthusiasm and look at the empty chairs on the Pakistani side. Of course, the tricolor is now being brought down. This is the beating retreat ceremony. Okay, for a moment, listen into that beating retreat ceremony as the flag is brought down and folded till dawn tomorrow.